All of you, raise your hands and close your eyes. Every one of you. Om Bhuvasva Tatsavituvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhuvasva Tatsavituvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhuvasva Tatsavituvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Children, Jia Ardeshna, please off your camera. Let us start now. MCQ, first one. First, I am taking your presentation, so wait a minute. Then we move for the MCQ of chapter number 4, revision worksheet. Here is Alifia Join, Ans, Anil Kumar, Aryan Yadav, Ayush Bua, Daksh Rajpara, Dharma Barasra, Ruvil Modi, and then Dhyani Gami, Happy Pandit, Jia Ardeshna, then Kalp Pepper, Kavya Bhua, Isha Detroja, and then Parth Kundaria, Mahi Mendupara, Matt Patel, Manan Jain, Mihir Popat, Nitya Tilwa, Om Kakasania, Parth Kundaria, Rudra Agara, Sanvi Agara, Shlok Adroja, Shreya Vansjaria, Simran, and then Shia Patel. After that, Tirth Jetroja, Vans, Vishwamendapara, Yashvi Sheta, and Hasti Panara. These are the present in class. Good afternoon, everyone. Let us start now. Here is first MCQ. All matters is made up of very small. The option is A, substances, B, particles, C, gases, D, none of these. The correct answer, I would like to see that particles is the correct answer. Me, Popat have given the answer. Very good. Keep it up. Fine. Second one now. Let us move. Particles are very loosely packed in option A, solid, option B, liquid, option C, gas, option D, water. The correct answer is gas. The correct answer is gas. Very good. Some of the children have given the correct answer. Very good. Keep it up, children. Third one. Dash caused the particles move faster. Option A, cooling. Option B, solidification. Option C, heating. Option D, contracting. The correct answer is solidification. Right? Solidification. Is not right answer. हीटिंग, हीटिंग से पार्टिकल फास्ट मूव होता है. हीटिंग इज द करेक्ट आंसर. आई वुड लाइक टू सी हीटिंग इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Again I repeat the question. This forms the particles move faster. Particles fast move होते हैं. Cooling, solidification, heating या contracting. The correct answer is heating. Now we move for the fourth one. The decrease in the size of matter on cooling is called. Now the option is contraction, option B expansion, option C melting, option D none of these. The correct answer is contraction. The decrease in the size of matter on cooling is called contraction. Contraction is the correct answer. Now let us move for the one word. Be ready, everyone. First one, substance that has mass and occupies space. First one में answer आएगा matter. I got the answer on chat now. I see the chat. Very good, all of you. All of you have given the answer matter. Very good, fine, children. Keep it up. Second one, process in which gas converts to liquid. I would like to see the chat. No one. Condensation. Gas converts into liquid. Condensation is the correct answer. Yes. Dhan Barasra has given the answer. And one of the message also I see. Slok Adroja. Okay, I unmute you, beta. Slok Adroja. 1 minute. Let me find and I unmute you. Slok Adroja is there or not? Slok Adroja, yes. I unmute you, beta. बोलो बेटा.
सर ये रिवीजन शीट ब्लैक है.
रिवीजन शीट
ब्लैक का दिख रही है, देखो सर.
क्लियर.
आप क्लीन फोटो भेजो ना तो रिवीजन शीट भी क्लीन आए.
क्लीन फोटो पीडीएफ तो क्लीन ही था बेटा. जेरोक्स शायद ऐसी आ सकती है.
ऐसा दिख रहा है सर.
पीडीएफ तो क्लीन ही था बेटा. हाँ, जेरोक्स ऐसी आ सकती है लेकिन पीडीएफ तो क्लीन ही था बेटा. यस,
ओके सर.
पीडीएफ तो क्लीन ही भेजा था बेटा. फोटो तो क्लीन ही है. आप चेक कर लेना एक बार फिर से. ओके बेटा. श्लोक.
यस सर.
हाँ, फोटो तो दोनों क्लीन ही थे बेटा. जितने भी भेजे थे पेज मैंने वो क्लीन ही थे. हाँ. Now next, one word, liquid changes into solid form. The correct answer, I would like to see the chat now. Who is given correct answer? Liquid change into solid. Solidification. Solidification is the correct answer. Very good. Let us move now. Fourth one. Solid changes into liquid form. Now solid change into liquid form. Now the melting will come. Answer. Fourth में answer आएगा melting. Okay, children. Now we move for the short question answer. First one. Here we go now. Be ready, everyone. Revision sheet page number 2. Short question answer, chapter number 4, solids, liquids and gases. What is matter made up of? Here we go now for answer. All matter is made up of very small particles. Very small particles. Answer is over. Now we move for the second question. What is matter? What is matter? I would like to unmute any one of you to give the answer. That is already in our book, textbook. I unmute Ayush Bhua. Ayush, please give answer.
Please,
Your answer.
sir, I need 1 minute. Please repeat the question.
What
What is matter? Yes.
What is matter? That is the question.
And any substance that has mass and occupies space is called matter.
Very good. Keep it up, Ayush. Fine. Good answer.
Thank you,
Now let us
sir.
move. Good. Now we move for the third question. How does heating affect the movement of particle? Heating क्या इफेक्ट करेगा पार्टिकल को? The answer is already given on textbook page number 52. All of you see page number 52. When a substance is heated, the particles start vibrating rapidly. Thus, each particle takes up more space because of its increased movement, causing the substance to expand. This is the correct answer. Let us move now the fourth question. Let us see what is the fourth question. Define melting. How is it different from solidification? Define देना है melting की, and then how it is different from solidification. Define melting. So first we have to give the define of melting, and then we have to give answer of another question that is in that question. Here we go now for the answer. Changing of a solid into a liquid is called melting. Now उसके अंदर ही दूसरा आंसर. In solidification, changing of a liquid into its solid form, while in melting, substance solid change into liquid. This is the difference between melting and solidification. Okay, children, let us move now for the next question. Be ready, everyone. I would like to differentiate between solid and liquid. Differentiate. I would like to unmute any one of you.
Sir?
बेटा मैं किसी और को चांस दे,
Okay, sir.
किसी और को बेटा चांस मिले ना बेटा. Randomly select कर रहा हूँ मैं. Any one of you. जिया टक्कन कल आया गया था. जिया टक्कन आ गया था. नेक्स्ट त्रिशा देत्रोजा. त्रिशा, I unmute you बेटा. काव्य हुआ. Please, 1 minute. त्रिशा
Okay.
देत्रोजा. हाँ त्रिशा बोलिए. Oh, there is so much noise going on.
Sir, can I speak?
Okay, I unmute Mahi Shetha. Now, Mahi, please give your answer. differentiate solid and liquid.
Solid particles are packed very tightly, as well as liquid particles are not as tightly packed.
Then second point. Second point, Mahisheta.
Sir, I spoke both.
Okay. I repeating again the answer. Solid, the particles are tightly packed. Solid में दूसरा point. Solids have fixed size and shape. And third point, example, table, chair, etc. Now liquid. The particles are not as tightly packed as in solids. Second point, they have no fixed shape. Third, example, water, oil, etc. This is the answer. Now we move for the sixth question. Everyone, be ready. Why do things expand on heating? Things को हम जब हीटिंग करते हैं उसका तो एक्सपेंड क्यों होती है? Why? Give reason. Here is answer. Please listen carefully, all of you. Because of each particle takes up more space, the particles start vibrating very fast. So things expand on heating. Again, I repeat the answer. Listen carefully, all of you. Because of each particle takes up more space, the particles start vibrating very fast. So things expand on heating. This is the answer of sixth one. Let us move now for the question number 7, children. Be ready, all of you. Why do things contract on cooling? इसका उल्टा जो हमने पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर बोला, राइट? Here is answer. Listen. When a substance is cooled, the movement of its particles slow down, because each particle takes up less space between of their decreased movement. So the substance contracts. Understand, all of you? Please confirm on check. Fine. Okay, I got your confirmation. Fine. Good. Let us move for the long question answer. First one. Be ready, children, all of you. First long question answer is. Let me ask you that all of you have done complete your worksheet, fair notebook and textbook. You have to submit tomorrow. I see the chat now. Yes, some of the boys and girls. Right, yes. Very good. All of you. Fine. Good job. Janil Bopalia has some doubt. Janil, I unmute you. 1 minute, Janil. Wait a minute. Janil Bopalia. बोलिए जेनिल बेटा।
सर
हाँ बोलो।
सर मैम को एग्जाम लिखनी है।
क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा? फिर से बोलिए।
हमको एग्जाम लिखनी है क्या? एमसीक्यू को?
एमसीक्यू आएगा बेटा, 40 मार्क के एमसीक्यू होंगे बेटा ऑनलाइन। हाँ
ओके।
ओके, so let us start now. Long question answer. First one, what is solution? Describe the different kind of solution with example.
Sir, I know the answer. Can I speak?
कौन बोल रहा है?
काव्य।
काव्य हुआ, बोलिए बेटा, बोलो।
Okay. When two substances mix together such that they are evenly distributed, a solution is formed. The substance that dissolves is called the solute, and the substance in which it dissolves is called solvent. Solid dissolve in liquid. This type of solute.
Stop, काव्य।
Okay.
आपने जो बोला यहाँ तक, when two substances mix together such that they are evenly distributed, a solution is formed. वो हो गया solution का define. Then different kind of solution का आपको बोलना है, right? So now you speak the different kind of solution.
The different kinds of solution are solid, dissolve in liquid. This type of solution is formed when the solute is solid and the solvent is liquid. Example: sugar solution and salt solution. Liquid dissolve in liquid. This type of solution is formed when the solute and solvent both are liquid. Example: lemon juice and water, lemonade. Gas dissolves in liquid. This type of solution is formed when the solute is gas and the solvent is liquid. Example: carbonated drink. Air, oxygen dissolves in water of water bodies which aquatic animal breathe. Gas dissolves in gas. This type of solution is formed when the solute and the solvent both are gas. Example are air mixture of different gases.
Very good. ब्रैकेट का जो है वो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. फाइन, वेरी गुड काव्य, कीप इट अप, गुड आंसर.
Thank you, sir.
काव्य, ओके बेटा, फाइन. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर का सेकंड वन. व्हाट इज केमिकल चेंज? Explain with an example. What is chemical change? Explain with an example. I would like to unmute randomly to.
Sir, can I speak? I know the answer.
बेटा सबका टर्न, दूसरे का टर्न आने दीजिए.
Okay, sir.
हाँ बेटा, किसी और का भी टर्न आया ना बेटा. So I would like to unmute Mihir Popat. Please give your answer बेटा. Mihir Popat. Mihir is there. Mihir. Okay, I would like to unmute another children. Mac Patel. Okay, Mac. I unmute you.
Yes, sir.
Already.
Yes, sir. Please repeat the question.
What is chemical change? And explain an example.
Sir, your voice is not coming. Please repeat the question.
My voice already audible. Don't think my voice.
Sir, please repeat the question.
मेरा voice आ ही रहा है.
Sir, एक बार repeat करो ना.
What is chemical change? And explain with an example.
Okay, sir. A chemical change is the type of change in which the chemical composition of a substance change, a new substance is formed. Example, rusting of iron or cooking food.
एग्जाम्पल तो ठीक है, एक्सप्लेन करना है एग्जाम्पल को. तो बर्निंग ऑफ पेपर is an example.
When is the example of chemical change in the change of original substance, paper change into a new substance, as rusting of nails and making curd from milk. Okay, sir? Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir? Hello, sir? Sir, your voice is not coming properly. Full. From this laptop. Sir, your voice is not coming.
हाँ बेटा, हाँ. Let me show. Let me show. Now my voice is coming. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Confirm. There is some network problem, beta. That's why. Okay. That was the answer that already said by the Ms. Patel. Now we move for the next question. Explain the process of expansion and contraction. Again, I repeat the question. Explain the process of expansion and contraction. Can anyone want to give answer? I would like to unmute any one of you. Yashvi Sheta. Okay, Yashvi Sheta. I unmute you. 1 minute. I will find you and then unmute you. Yashvi Sheta. Yashvi, बोलिए बेटा. I unmute you now.
When a substance is heated, the particles started vibrating rapidly. Thus, each particle takes up more space because of its increased movement, causing the substance to expand. When a substance is cooled, the movement of its particles slow down. Thus, each particle takes up less space because of the decreased movement of the particles contract.
Very good, Yashvi. Fine. Good answer. Very good, Yashvi.
Thank you, sir.
So this is the long question answer that we have done. Now we move for the logical question answer. Here, first one. Why are liquids able to flow but solids are not? Here is answer. Listen carefully, everyone. Again, I repeat the question. Listen carefully, everyone. Why are liquids able to flow but solids are not? Listen carefully. All. The answer is because in liquids the particles are not as tightly packed as in solids. So they can move and slide over each other. So liquids are able to flow. Again I repeat the answer. Listen, all of you carefully. Because in liquids the particles are not as tightly packed as in solids, so they can move and slide over each other. So liquids are able to flow. This is the answer of first logical question answer. Now let us move for logical question answer, another one. We can fill a gas inside a closed bottle, but not a solid. Why? Anyone? I would like to unmute any one of you to give answer. Shanvi Agara. Shanvi Agara, please give your answer. Shanvi Agara is there. No. Okay. I will tell you now. Listen carefully, all of you. Answer. Molecules. Particles. कौन बोल रहे हैं? Please give your name. Listen carefully, everyone. The answer of last question, I repeat the question again. We can fill a gas inside a closed bottle, but not a solid. Why? The answer is, let me tell you the answer. Molecules, in bracket particles, in gases are loosely packed as compared to solid particles. So, a gas can fill inside a closed bottle, but not a solid. This is the answer of last logical question answer. So children, here we have completed chapter number 4 revision sheet. I will send PDF to you. Okay children, everyone, bye. Take care everyone, bye all of you, and you have to complete your work. Reading. Tomorrow is parents meeting and submission. Bye everyone, have a nice day. Take care everyone.
Bye. 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 Bye.